What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you about the dishwasher top load Maytag washer. So it stopped working. I unplugged it and plugged back the unit, but nothing happened. So we have to get to this error. So to get that error we have to push these three buttons. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and push the play. So you're gonna get that error. This error is showing you we have a miscommunication. So it should be the back panel, the called main panel, or it should be this front panel or the wire. So it's little chances the wire, it should be one of these two. So we're gonna check the main panel. If it's not that one, hopefully it's not that one, so it's this one. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm recording this later. I will show you here. It was 5 screw. I took it off. It was 1 2 3 more 4 5. So it was 5. So when you take this 5 screw off, so you can take this back cover off. But so I have to take the 2 more screw off. So this is the back cover, so you can see the bore here. So I have to take the 2 more screw off. So I'll show you here. To that top load, it can be loose. One was here and the other one was here, and it was the one panel here, so I took that one off too. Now we can take this lead up, and then you have to pull this back toward you, lift it, push back and lift it again. So to let it the top lid be loose. So let me show you again. Pull it toward you, lift it, push back and lift it. So that's the way you can open this top. So now to get access to the, remember that back board I said, the main board, there is a 2 clips. So I'm gonna show you here. There's one here, that's a middle one. So you have to squeeze it with something. I use the plier here, so you squeeze it, so it's gonna be released. You have one here and the one here. So I'm gonna squeeze it, so after be released I show you the back panel. Finally it came off, so it just, you have to squeeze those, so it was that easy. So that brown one, if you see, go away, that brown one is the main panel. So we're gonna plug in the unit right now. So let me plug in here. I'm really slow. So I plug in back here, and you see that green light. If you see that green light, so it's showing the main panel is working. You see that green light is blinking, so it's sure it's working. So you just have to replace the front panel. So there's a wire is connected to the front panel, that yellow and green, and yellow and black wire. So you just, there's a clips, you take that clips off, you put the new panel and put the clips back. That easy. So we're gonna replace. So I bought this panel. I didn't find it in Amazon, but I found it in the local store. It was crazy. I bought the whole washer for 500 or 600, but just only that front panel is almost $300. So if your washer is old, it's better to replace it. I just bought it and make a video so for you guys. I hope you guys like it, and please subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of video about the home remodeling and home repair on your home. Have a great day.